In a city where sidewalks hum, a timid cartographer named Lyra discovers a map that redraws reality with each sneeze. She teams with a prankish librarian who speaks in ringtones and a clockwork cat that refuses to tell time. Their quest leads them to a museum of missing socks that memorizes dreams, where footwear vote on which day should be twice magical. A door opens to a carnival of gravity, where candy carts float and gravity negotiates a peace treaty. They return with a square of sky that giggles when you blink, proving that wonder is etiquette with snacks.